In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export customers in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can download your customer list and use it for things like reporting, email marketing, or backups. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Go ahead and log into your Shopify store the way you normally do. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is the homepage of your admin where you see an overview of your store's performance, orders, and other key information. From here, we're going to move straight into the customers section because that's where all of your customer data lives. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Customers. Click on Customers, and Shopify will take you to a page that lists all the people who have interacted with your store and have customer profiles. This includes anyone who has placed an order or created an account, and in many cases, people who started checkout and shared their contact information. Once you're on the customers page, take a moment to make sure you're seeing the group of customers you actually want to export. If you're using filters or segments, the export can be limited to just that filtered group. When you're ready, look towards the top right area of the page for a button labeled Export. Go ahead and click on Export. This is the main control you'll use to download your customer data. A pop-up window will appear with export options. Here, you'll see choices that typically allow you to export all customers, a selected segment, or sometimes just the customers that match your current filters. You'll also see options for the file format, usually a CSV file, which opens easily in spreadsheet tools like Excel or Google Sheets. In this window, click on Export Customers. This confirms that you want Shopify to generate the file based on the options shown. After you click Export Customers, Shopify will prepare your file. For smaller stores, the file may download almost instantly. For larger customer lists, Shopify might email you a download link instead. Once you receive the file, you can open it in your preferred spreadsheet program and work with your customer data however you need. And that's all you need to do to